Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 and today I'm going to show you how to add the workout to the workout menu on this SmartBand. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to open the workout app. To do it, press the side button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu, then tap on the workout icon. In the workout app, you will see the workout basically list, and here we have some of the workouts, and there's only a few of them. And if you want to add more, find the option called Add, tap on it, and here you have additional workouts you can add to the list. Find the workout you would like to add, select it. You can select multiple as well, so select the ones you like, tap on OK, and the workout will be added at the top right here. And you can also remove the workouts by tapping on this two-dot icon next to the workout to open the menu. And here you have the remove option. So if you tap on it, the workout will disappear like this. And you can also pin the workouts. So let's say you want to have the specific workout at the top of the list. You can tap on the icon right here, tap on pin to the top, and now the workout will be always at the top of the list. Okay. And that's how you add the workout to the workout list on this SmartBand. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.